This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application.
Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk all about WordPress, and today we are going to explore a new plugin to include facts to our product page and to any our post or pages. So the plugin we will be using is Helpy FAQ. We can download this plugin from going to our plugin page and clicking on Add New and then searching for FAQ. Just type in this FAQ and here you will get multiple FAQ options like according FAQ and ultimate FAQ, but the one I will suggest is according and FAQ by Helpy WordPress. So you just click on install now. This one has many features for free which are available in paid versions of many of the other FAQ plugins. And it is already comes with integration of WooCommerce, so it is easy to configure for each product. Like I can add a FAQ for a particular product without buying an pro version of the plugin. So after activating, you will see a Helpy FAQ option on your left side tab. Just click on it, and here we can see multiple settings like all FAQ groups, add new FAQ, and adding a new FAQ and a category and settings, an affiliate program and support forums. So first thing first, we have to add a new FAQ. So to add a FAQ, what we can do is to just click on add new here in all FAQs, and here you can type in any question, frequently asked question for your product. Like in my store, I can add a separate FAQ page, or I can add separate FAQ for each product, and I can even create groups and categories also. So firstly we will see how we can integrate any FAQ for a particular product. So first I'll add a FAQ for this product, which is album. So what I'll do, I'll create a demo FAQ, and type in its answer. So this is the FAQ that I have created just now. I can see the name of the products. So my product was album, so I'll click on it and click on publish. So now I can view this FAQ independently, or I can go to my product and click on refresh, and here I will see a FAQ option added. So if I click on it, I can see any sample question and its answer. This is the FAQ that I have added, and I can minimize it and expand it. So this is how I can add FAQ to any of my product simply by checking in the box of the product. If I go back, here I will see the categories also and the FAQ groups. So these groups can be used to show particular FAQs. Like I can create a new group other than getting started. For that I will just click on add new, and here I have to type in the name of the group, and I will include an item in it. So this will be sample question 1, and I will add the answer here. Sample answer 1. So after that I click on save, and here I will, in all FAQs, I will be able to see my FAQ created. So here a new group is added, and I can get its shortcode. And what I'll do, I'll create a new page, and now I can give this page a name, FAQ group, and here I will include the shortcode. So in this page, only the selected FAQ group will be displayed. Sample question 1. So this is how I can create a group of FAQ question and then show it to my site in a more organized way. So moving forward, I can create a FAQ page for showing only FAQs. So I can name it FAQs, and here I can either type in the shortcode or directly use the widget helpy FAQ block. So here it will automatically include all the FAQs question that I have created, and then I can click on publish. So this will be a common page for viewing all the FAQs, and it has already integrated search option. So if I have many FAQs already added, then I can also search for a particular FAQ by typing in the keyword or tags. So we can view the page how it looks, and here I can search the FAQ. Like if I type first, then I can see your first FAQ question is displayed. So this is how I can add FAQ page or any FAQ to a particular product. I can even create a custom category also by going to FAQ category. Here I can create a FAQ category like question related to color will be included in this category, and then I can click on add new FAQ. So it will be added, and now I can use this category to sort all the FAQ related to color in it, and after that I will use this category directly on any product page to include it. So if I go to any of my product, like this one, and click on edit. So to add the FAQ directly, so I'll use this to add it in the description of the product, which we can see here. Or if I add the helpy FAQ in the short description, then it will be shown here. So for better visuals, I like to add it here. So here I'll add this shortcode, and here I will get the tiles which will be displayed. So I'll change the title, and we can see the search option. Either we can turn it off or on, and we can choose the display mode. So I will choose simple accordion, and here on groups by I can choose the groups, which is the category option here. So now the FAQ will be displayed category wise. So to see it in action, first I'll insert this shortcode, and click on update. So here we will see group wise FAQs, but since I have not added anything to my category color, what I'll do, I will add FAQ in my category color by adding a new FAQ. So I just create one new FAQ and then I'll directly publish it. I do not have to choose any product. So here on quick edit, I will choose its category as color and then click on update. So now when I see my this product specifically, I will see the FAQ divided into two categories, or we can say grouped into two categories. So this is how you can use category to show FAQ group wise, or you can create a new group and include it in any of a page to see it directly on that page, like the new group we have created previously, and we have only one question added to it, so it's showing up here. And we can see we have included the shortcode for this group. So every group we create, we will get a separate shortcode for this. Here in settings, what we will see is the general settings, the slug used for happy FAQ, and we can choose the title. We can edit the title. We can choose its tag. So it will be heading 1 if you want it to be very large, and going down, it will get smaller and smaller. Moving on is FAQ search option. If you want to turn it off, you can do it. And you can enable VPA auto P or FAQ show products only. So if it is turned on, then only on the products the FAQ option will be shown. And the next thing is display and layout. So how you want to display it, you can choose either of these, and you can choose the option toggle open and close. So this is the option where if it is open by default or not. So you can choose it to be open for first FAQ, or all FAQs, or none. So the all FAQ, only the question will be displayed and none of their answer will be displayed when the page is loaded. You can add FAQ URL attribute. You can turn it off also. These are all the settings. So grouping setting, if you want to group FAQs by, you can choose categories, and you can choose the setting for each product page, like we did for this product. This one. So when we added this help FAQ shortcode, here I can edit that option again, those basic settings, and I can change this so I do not have to do this again and again. And you can choose the sorting option, alphabetically menu order or publish date or updated date. And moving on, we can customize a single FAQ page also, but for that we have to buy pro version of this plugin. We can limit the number of items on each page. And here we can even style our FAQ. Like we can choose its theme to be dark, we can choose its background color, we can choose its item title, and many more things. Next is user submission. This is a preview feature where user can submit any new question in the FAQ if it is not already present, and then you can review it and answer it, and then the answer and the question will be displayed in the FAQ again. So in the same FAQ you can add the user asked questions. So it is a good feature, but it is available in pro version only. And here you can see the integrations. This is the knowledge base helpy kv. This is helpy knowledge base. So for that you have to install a new plugin for this, and this is the WooCommerce which is already on. You can vote the FAQ next feature here. So this is all about the settings. You can see its pricing by clicking on start trial. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to Educate WordPress.